Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reportedly distributed over 51,000 appointment letters to new recruits in the security forces. He has inducted new recruits as part of the Rozgar Mela. The new recruits selected from across the country will be joining various posts such as constable, sub-inspector and non-general duty cadre positions under the Ministry of Home Affairs or MHA. The Rozgar Mela was held at 45 locations across India. Through it, the MHA is recruiting personnel to various Central Armed Police Forces or CAPFs, namely Central Reserve Police Force or CRPF, Border Security Force or BSF, Sashastra Seema Bal or SSB, Assam Rifles, Central Industrial Security Force or CISF, Indo-Tibetan Border Police or ITBP and Narcotics Control Bureau or NCB, as well as the Delhi Police. Speaking on the occasion, PM Modi called them Amrit Rakshak, as the new appointees will not only serve the country but also will protect the country and its people. The Indian Premier mentioned major changes in the recruitment of the paramilitary personnel. Giving the example of Uttar Pradesh, the Prime Minister mentioned that the state once lagged behind in development and was also one of the leading states in terms of crime. PM Modi also mentioned that investments in the state are on the rise along with a decline in crime rate and pointed out that those states that have a high crime rate are witnessing very low investment and all employment opportunities come to a standstill. Noting India's status as the fastest growing economy, Modi reiterated that India will reach among the top 3 economies of the world during this decade. Throwing light on the expansion of the automobile and auto components industry, he said that both industries are worth more than 12 lakh crore rupees and it is expected to grow further in the years to come. Referring to infrastructure development, Modi said in the last 9 years, the central government has spent more than 30 lakh crore rupees on infrastructure. Modi also informed that India's record exports last year are a sign of the increased demand for Indian-made goods in the global market. The mega recruitment drive began after PM Modi reportedly instructed officials in June last year to fill 10 lakh posts vacant as of March 2022 within 18 months. A few months later, on October 14th, the first Rozgar Mela was held.